What's good, guys? Today's Monday and I've taken the first trade of the week on gold. I don't know if you guys can see this clearly. My camera looks like it's tripping. You can see the trade is in profit at the moment. You can see trade is floating in profit at the moment, and my stop loss is also placed above. One thing about this trade is this: if this trade happens to hit TP, it's going to be the third win in a row. Currently I'm on winning streak. I'm on 2 winning streaks. So if this trade happens to hit TP, it's going to be the third winner in a row. This is the first trade of the week. I hope this trade can come out strong, because it always feels nice to win your first trade of the week. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. At the moment, I've already updated my Telegram channel about this trade setup, so you can see the trade from the trading view. Although one flaw about this trade is this: if you look at this current market condition, we are inside a range. But one thing I like about the trade setup is because price is rejecting from the resistance point, and also price swept this liquidity, so that gave me a clue that this can potentially be a nice setup. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. You guys know I trade gold and NAS 100, and this is the first trade of the week.
So guys, at the moment partials have been secured. If you look closely, you notice that my stop loss have been adjusted to my entry. You can see I've closed partials for today. I've closed half of my position, and right now my runners will be closed somewhere around here. So typically this is going to be a 1:2 trade if price ends up hitting my full TP. At the moment I've secured profit and stop loss have been adjusted to my entry. So at the moment I'm going to say we are currently on a 3 wins in a row, another winning streak. Remember, last month I had a record of 5 wins in a row, and right now we are having a record of 3 wins in a row. I'm going to update you guys if this trade ends up hitting full TP. For now, the update is this: we have secured partials and our stop loss have been adjusted to our entry, which is actually making this week seem like a profitable week or a positive week. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. I hope price ends up hitting our full TP, so we are going to back all profit. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. Partials have been secured, and I've already updated my Telegram channel about the update.
What's good, guys? Today is Tuesday and I've taken the second trade of the week on gold. The trade of yesterday came back to stop me at break even, so I secured just 0.5% for the day. Then for this trade today, I was not on the chart, but I got the setup right. But I came back to the chart, I came back home, and I still saw that price was still consolidating around the entry point, so I had to get in because the trade was valid for me and the setup was the right setup to execute. Anyway, this is the second trade of the week. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. I hope this trade works out well. Definitely I'm going to update you guys about the final outcome of this trade. This is the second trade of the week. Yesterday we secured 0.5%. I hope today we can secure better. I hope today can be more positive than yesterday. I'm going to update you guys.
So guys, if you see the trade from the trading view, you can see price is dropping at the moment. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see the 15 minutes time frame. So you can see here from the 15 minutes time frame, price is dropping at the moment. If you look at this current market condition, we are still stuck in that range. Look at the trade of yesterday. Price came, we closed partials. I was expecting price to drop further, but price came back and stopped me at break even. So I secured just 0.5% for the day. Today we are still on sales on gold. We are inside this range condition. One thing about ranging condition is difficult and sometimes very tough to trade range condition. But anyway, this trade is valid and we are in this trade. I'm going to update you guys. You can see price is dropping. Soon enough it's going to hit TP1. I think TP1 is somewhere around here. Soon enough it's going to hit TP1. I'm going to update you guys about this trade when price gets to TP1, and I'm going to close partials. For this trade, I've updated my Telegram channel about it.
So guys, on this trade setup, partials have been secured and stop loss have been adjusted to my entry. You can see here I've closed partials just like yesterday. You can see this deep drop on gold. Gold dropped so hard. Let me go to the 30 minutes time frame so you see it. It dropped, but now it's rejecting. Anyway, TP is below here, but I might potentially close somewhere here because this is where I'm supposed to close. Strategically, this is where I'm supposed to close, so I might close my final TP here. But if price keeps on dropping, then I might see if it's going to further drop to this point, whereby I'm going to be holding my runners up until this point. So I'm going to secure overall for this trade 2.5%. Anyway, I'm going to update you guys about the final outcome of this trade. I hope price ends up hitting our full TP. You should not go back to hit our break even just like yesterday. I've already updated my Telegram channel about this trade, and I'm going to update you guys about this trade.
How's good, guys? Today is Thursday, a brand new day. Remember, I traded gold on Monday and Tuesday. You guys saw that setup. This was the trade on Tuesday. I got out when price came here after 1:1. Price came back, stopped me out at break even around Asian section. Then just take a look at gold. After that, it kept on dropping. Just look at gold. It kept on dropping after it stopped me out at break even. Look at it, has dropped over 1:2 from my entry point. It did not hit my stop loss. It has dropped over, I think it's close to 1:30 now. But guess what? I don't think I'll be in that type of move. I don't hold that type of position. I'm not a delusional trader to cash 1:20, 1:30. Bro, that's massive. But I don't aim to get this type of move entirely. Anyway, this was the trade. Remember the trade on Monday, I closed partials, price came back, stopped me out at break even. I went on to backtest that trade on Monday. I noticed I should have cashed the full move, which is 1:2, but because I got my entry very late, I got my entry around here for this trade. I got my entry around here, then stop loss above. So I caught over 1:1, then price came back, stopped me out during Asian section on this trade. Then on Tuesday, I took this trade. Price went for 1:1, came back, stopped me out at break even, and kept on dropping. If I happen to execute any trade today, that will be the last trade for this week. Today I'm looking at Nasdaq, honestly speaking, because Nasdaq is the only pair that looks like it might present an opportunity for me. If only it's going to present an opportunity, because if 2:30 opens, which is New York Stock Exchange open, I think it's in 2 minutes. If stock exchange opens and the market keeps on dropping from there, then I don't think I'm going to find any opportunity on Nasdaq. But if I find an opportunity on Nasdaq and I happen to take the trade, that's going to be my last trade for this week. I'm going to update you guys about any decision I'm going to take for today. For now, let's see what the market can present to us.
I've taken the last trade of the week on NAS 100. I showed you guys earlier the trade on Tuesday. That trade went on to stop me out at break even, and it dropped so hard afterward. So this is the last trade of the week. This is going to be the last trade overall for the week, and I've taken the trade on NAS 100. You guys know I trade gold and NAS 100. If I'm not taking a trade on gold, I'm taking a trade on NAS 100. I hope this trade comes out profitable. You can see there price is about, I think, few pips in profit at the moment. Price is still fluctuating close to break even, and my stop loss is placed above. I'm going to update you guys if this trade hits TP1 as usual. You know the plan, you know the game plan. TP1, I'm going to close partials. Anyway, I'm going to update you guys about this trade. I hope this trade can come out profitable, so we are going to finish this week strong. I'm going to update you guys about this trade setup. So guys, I think the winning streak is about to be broken. You can see price is floating deeply negative at the moment. It's floating deeply negative at the moment. Damn. Damn. Going to update you guys about this trade as usual. Damn.
What's good, guys? Today is Friday, and basically I didn't trade today. I don't know, I'm sweating like mad, bro. This place is really hot. Like, the sun lately in Nigeria is terrible. People living in Kaduna, Sokoto, they'll be suffering the most, because I'm staying in the south side of Nigeria, which is Cross River State, and the sun is damn hot like this. Anyway, I'm done trading for this week. Yesterday, I lost the trade of yesterday. I forgot to update you guys about the trade of yesterday. Price went on to stop me out, and overall for this week, I came out break even. This is the P&L for this week here on the left side of the screen. I came out break even for this week overall, and I also broke the 4 winning streaks. Damn, the 4 winning streak have been broken from yesterday losses. Last month I experienced a record of 5 wins in a row. and this month I am experiencing a record of 4 wins in a row. But yesterday trade broke the winning streak. Maybe I would have continued the winning streak up to 6, 7 or 8. The update on this account is this: I'm up about 1.2%, but next week I'm going to step up my risks. I won't be risking 1% on this Propfirm account again. I want to be risking 2%, which is around 1.8%. Then partials, I'm going to close 1%. You guys know I trade TP1, I close partials. But next week, the risk management is going to change. I'll be risking 2%. So it's going to take me like, I think around 5 trades or 6 trades to blow this account. That's it, guys. I'm no longer sitting on this account. I want to rush it now. I want to rush it. Like, it's either I pass it now or I blow it within a month or within 2 months. But definitely I think I'm going to pass it because I have a high win rate. My system have a high win rate. The trades I've been taking for the past weeks that I've been winning, that's not random. So I believe in my system that I could potentially pass the account. Anyway, I'm done trading this week. How was your trading week? I hope you had an amazing week. Me, I didn't make money, I didn't lose money. That's still positive to my side. At the end of the day, the market did not take anything from me. It's just 1-1 for this week. I'm going to come back next week and catch you guys again. Crazy thing is this: I want to trade this week and I lost one, but I ended up closing for break even. You might say my trading plan sucks and my trading plan does not make sense. But anyway, guess what? I'm not changing it. What is working for me, I'm not changing it. I'm going to keep on trading. Remember, last week was profitable, this week break even. So that's not terrible at all when it comes to the system. And last month, I had about 3 profitable weeks and 1 losing week. So the system is not bad overall. Anyway, I'm going to catch you guys next week. If you haven't yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. I document my trading journey on this channel and I hope to catch you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend.